What's up, guys and gals? This is Bernie with Beast Breaks. We are doing 2019 Panini Illusions box number 2. These are single breaks, random teams. So as you can see on the screen, we have the list of the NFL teams and we have the players in the game from James all the way down to Michael. So we'll get some new dice here. 2 dice, anything 3 or higher. 5 and 2 is 7. We're going 7 times. We'll do the names first. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Check the dice for you. 2 and 5 is 7. We've gone 6 times. Last one, good luck. We got Nathan Albee up top, down to Nicholas Rogers. Put the names over here. Now we will do the teams 7 times as well. We got 49ers down to the Vikings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We've gone 6 times. 5 and 2 is 7. Last one, good luck. We got the Colts. Gotta grab that C. Down to the Cardinals. We'll paste that over here. Highlight this. We'll sort it. And we'll paste the format. So there it is. Teams and names are on the left-hand side. For you're watching on Instagram, Ron with the 49ers, Noe with the Bears, Michael or Mikey with the Bengals, Matthew Seward with the Bills, Nicholas D with the Broncos, Joseph Ramirez, Browns, Nicholas Dowling, Bucks, Nicholas Rogers, Cardinals, Mikey with the Chargers, PC Lovin, James Mayo with the Chiefs. I think that's 2 in a row for you, James. Nathan Albee with the Colts, Cardona with the Cowboys, Glenn Kurtz with the Dolphins, Eagles for Nick Rogers, Get Slim with 10, getting the Falcons, Mikey with the Giants and Jags, Matthew with the Jets, Mikey with the Lions, Nicholas D with the Packers, Mikey with the Panthers and Patriots, Nicholas D with the Raiders, Nicholas Rogers with the Rams, Mikey with the Ravens, Taylor with the Redskins, Mikey with the Saints, Mikey with the Seahawks, Noe with the Steelers, Mikey with the Texans, Brandon with the Titans, and Glenn with the Vikings. There it is. Here we go. Number 2. $24 both times. Really, Brandon? Go buy a lotto ticket that has something to do with 24. Or a scratcher that's like in the 24th bin. I don't know if you have it like we have it, but here we have these like vending machine things for scratchers. They have numbers on them. There's the encase card. Here are the packs. We're going the same way. Number 3 goes right after this. Let's see if we can get it sold out before this is over. Wow, this one's super thick. Super thick. What could it be? I'd love to pull a shield out of here. These clear cut cards are pretty cool. All right, let's get the base going. Devonta Freeman. Josh Allen, rookie. Deebo Samuel, rookie. Kenyon Drake. Deshaun Watson. Juju. Adam Thielen. Brian Burns for the Panthers. Nick Bosa for the Niners. Ed Oliver. OBJ, Drew Brees, Van Der Esch, Mahomes, Singletary, Hakeem Butler, David Johnson, Kyler, it's like one per box, Paris Campbell for the Colts, Hunter Renfrow for the Raiders, Marquise Brown, Ravens, Ryan Finley for the Bengals, and Joe Flacco. There's your rookies. There should be some rookies sprinkled in here too. All right, first up, there you go. Sean Alexander, Living Legends for the Sea Chickens. This guy was pretty good. I know most Seahawks fans don't know about him because they didn't become fans till like 2012. TJ Hawkinson to $3.99 for the Lions. Man, this guy wrung his head pretty damn hard. That's a good team, Taylor. If you hit like a Haskins, that'd be good trade bait. Clear shot. This is a beast right here. Myles Garrett for the Browns. I have the A's, Lane. I have the A's going to the World Series. To $3.99, Hunter Renfrow. Nothing statistically, Lane, just the magic that they carry. Mystique, Leighton Vander Esch to $3.99. Those Mystique cards are cool. Miles Sanders, Napkin. Instant impact for the Eagles. Nick Rogers. You have Meadows going yard tonight? Cool. Dalvin Cook for the Vikings. Joe Flacco to 50. That's cool. Red. Broncos, man. 0-4. They could easily be 2-2 if their defense stopped those last-second drives. Mystique. DeAndre Hopkins for the Texans. Looks like the RPA will be Justice Hill to $2.99 for the Ravens. Mikey. That'd be crazy if someone threw like a no-hitter in one of these wild card games. It'd be very cool to watch if it wasn't your team. To $2.99, Darius Leonard for the Colts. Alvin Kamara patch for the Saints. Saints going out to Mikey. Kyler Murray Mystique green to $149 for the Cardinals. Nicholas Rogers. Oh, look at that. Wow, Mike Golick to 25. That's so sick. You never see cards of Mike Golick. You might know him from Mike and Mike. That's very cool. Eagles going out to Nick Rogers. That's a nice one. I like that one. Very cool hit, Nick. I don't think I've ever seen an auto of his. Exclusive ink. Shining Stars. Baker Mayfield. Not numbered for the Browns. Yeah, Golick and Wingo now. Back in the day, it was Mike and Mike. Now it's him and Trey, right? Hayden Hurst to $2.99 for the Ravens. He's got his son on there, too. Clear Shots. Jamal Adams to $3.99 for the Jets. Jets, Matthew Seward. Base card, Cortland Sutton. It snuck by. Andre Reed, Living Legends. You don't hear him talked about, but man, late 80s, early 90s. He is a living legend. Keenan Allen to $2.99. PC loving. I know you like Keenan Allen. Mikey, why haven't you purchased my 1/1 Keenan Allen? All right, now we go to the in-case card. I have the 1/1. I sent you a picture of it. A redemption. Rookie endorsements blue. Benny Snell Jr. That's for the Steelers. Steelers going out to Noe Peña. Look at Noe taking your guys' hits. All right, here's a recap. Rookie endorsements, Benny Snell. Mike Golick for the Eagles. Justice Hill for the Ravens. Our two relics, Kamara and Miles Sanders. That does it for number 2. Number 3 and 4 are in the chute. Let's get it done.